friends, today you will be amazed by this simple burning candle rising water experiment. This experiment teaches us the effect of air pressure. For this, I have taken a plate, a candle, a glass, normal water or water with color is optional, and a matchbox. Firstly, place the candle in the middle of the plate. Now, pour the colored water into the plate. Light the candle with a matchstick. Now watch what happens when fire is burning and what happens when fire extinguishes. Slowly place the inverted glass over the candle. Look, when the candle was burning, the air inside the glass heated up. The hot air expanded and created high air pressure inside then outside the glass. Here, some air inside escaped from the under glass and you may notice tiny bubbles escaping from the glass. As the flame extinguished, the air inside the glass cools down. Cooling air contracted and lowered air pressure inside then outside the glass. As a result of high pressure outside the glass, air pressure forced the water into the glass. And we can see the water level rising until the air pressure inside and outside the glass is the same or equilibrium. I hope you must love watching sudden rise in water level inside the glass. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.